Let's talk about the best things I did for my dropshipping brand. These are the things that helped me to make millions of dollars in just a few months. Hey guys, I'm Ramtin, and 7 months ago I had only $100 in my account. Today it's 7 figures. It's been a crazy journey and it's about to get better, and I want to share that with you. Also guys, I'm doing 30-minute consultation calls every week. If you want to enter that giveaway, all you need to do is smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and also comment Ecom down below in the comment section. And that's it guys, you're in. So without further ado, let's just hop into the content. So these tips, well, I didn't magically know about them. I made the massive expensive mistakes first, and they helped me to put these rules in place for my brand so that would never happen again. It's such a stressful times when these issues come up, and man, I know the feeling. It's very hard when you don't know when you don't know what you're going to do. And like basically with this video purposes, if I can help someone else to not make these mistakes and like lose lots of money along the way, that would be awesome. But guys, mistakes are important. Don't mistake like mistakes are bad or something. Mistakes are very good. They will help you to grow, know about your product and the brand and the industry that you're in, and that will help you to scale your business past about 6 figures, 7 figures, or whatever your goal is. So guys, the other one is customer service. So you have to guys take your customers seriously. Like every one of your purchases is a customer, and you cannot just basically see that as just another revenue number. There are real people that are sitting behind the computers or even mobile phones and purchasing your product. So you have to show them some respect in order to get that back and like have a long business guys, so you can make more money. So you may ask how you can show them more respect, and by that mean like first of all, you should have a good customer experience. Make sure that customer have a good experience while purchasing your product. By that I mean you have to make every step in your website very easy in order for them to navigate your policies, your contact number or email, or like everything that they need to be. They should be accessible and very easy to find on your website. And guys, so basically let me tell you something that happened to me and like cost me a lot of money guys, and like a lot of headaches as well. So I'm hoping that with telling you this story that will help you like avoid this problem. So there's a good tip that guys you need to listen about. This is you have to ask for your customer's phone number. Like that should be mandatory. Like if you're selling Europe, this should be mandatory guys. Like it's very important to ask for their phone number. So the funny thing is that at the beginning when I started to sell my products, I didn't ask for customer phone number because I thought like it will mess with the conversion rate, which was absolute absurd idea because it didn't really. And so basically what you're trying to do is here to ask your customer for the phone number in a good way. So all you need to do is just change what it says in the Shopify theme settings. So for example, it says your phone number, like enter it here. So you can, instead of that, you can say enter your phone number in order for receiving shipping updates or something like that. So customer will have like no hesitation to put their phone numbers there. So I didn't do that at the beginning, and like I was like everything was going good. Like after I was starting to receive the emails from my payment processor like services that I was using, which was Shopify at the moment, said okay, you are getting many chargebacks, so you should be very careful with this. If this continues, we're going to hold your money. And I basically didn't know what they're talking about. After that, when I went to check my emails, which I like basically do every day, and I said okay, I don't see anything in here. But guys, when I went to spam section, I saw like over like 200 emails from service providers that I was using in my Shopify payments. And I was like, okay, this customer is missing their order. They don't know where the product is. They don't know where the product is. They haven't received the product. They haven't received the product. And guys, basically it was like over 215 emails that I haven't missed. Like, and the reason it went to the spam section is it was because like it was so many emails that like it went to the spam section because like the email, you know, I don't know, the Yahoo thought like, I don't know, these are spams or something like that. So I didn't see them, so I couldn't like get to them and see the problem sooner, guys. So basically what the problem was that customers said that they did not receive the product because they didn't put, and I checked all of the customers, and most of them that said this, like basically all of them didn't have their phone numbers when they put their like shipping information, guys. They had only emails. And basically when you put your emails, you will get notified only via email that okay, your product is here, you should pick it up. If you miss that email, like that email get lost, because basically, as you all know, you can like get like thousands of emails every day. So that email can get buried or go to the spam section, whatever that is. And if you don't even pick the product will be shipped back. So, and customer cannot be liable for that payment, so you have to refund the customer. So basically that hurt my business so much, guys, and like I didn't know about it. But you know, you fail and learn, and I learned my lesson. So guys, please ask your customer numbers. And beside that, that had another like consequence, which was like Shopify hold my Shopify is currently actually holding 50k of my money because of this process, and they banned me from using Shopify payments because they say you're not trustable, and since all of your customers says where's the product, so basically you're not sending them something like that, they're like irrelevant. And so basically what I'm trying to do here at the moment is just trying to ship out the product as fast as possible, which I've always been doing, so they can hopefully start releasing that money. But that money is currently on 4-month hold because like for chargeback rates or whatever that is. But basically I'm always asking for customers' phone number at the moment, and like there isn't any problem anymore. And that problem occurred when I start to sell, like I started selling good at the beginning when I didn't know like anything. So yeah guys, that was a long time ago. So I hope with this story you learn something, and just please ask for your customer's phone number, guys. Okay guys, and the last one is have a good relationship with your agent. So basically at the beginning when I was scaling the product, guys, I didn't have a very good agent, and he wasn't very reliable because when I started putting a lot of orders, he couldn't handle that, and he didn't tell me about it. He said like, yeah, we don't have that much inventory, we are inspecting a product, and he gave me all those reasons why he wasn't sending a product after a day or two, which was still very bad back in like then and basically even now. But like he was very lying because he was just wanting to take the money from me, you know, and just have a good business. But like he wasn't taking off the orders, and that like required very angry customers, low feedback score on Facebook, as I explained to you like in this video, and it was very bad for the business, guys. But when you have a good agent, basically you can communicate good with the agent, and you have a good relationship, like your agent really cares about you or care about your agent. And what I mean by that is like when you start to fulfill a lot of orders, guys, your agent sees that like you are a kind of professional at this, like you are good at e-commerce or dropshipping, whatever you want to call it. So your agent going to show you the other products that currently are working in the industry, or in the niche that you're in, or even not in the niche you're in, because your agent knows that you can scale the product better than the current seller, or you can do it in the same level. So that only means more money for them, you know. So if they can make you more money, so they're going to make money, so it's going to be like, you know, good effect for both sides. So that's like what I'm doing with my agent. So currently like I can ask my agent like what is the current product that he's selling, and he starts to selling me the website, like showing me the product and showing me everything that you're doing in order for me to do the same thing or better than them, so I get more orders for them, you know. So just win-win for everybody, guys. But in order to get touch with those agents, guys, you need to build a relationship at the beginning. So with the current agent I have been with this agent for 4 or 5 months now, no, maybe 3 to 4 months, and like I've been fulfilling a lot of orders with this agent, and this agent basically know I can handle this and I can scale a product like to high amounts. So he always brings me more products and like to sell if I want to, and he always takes off my own products, like best quality, the cheapest price, and the fast shipping. So basically I don't have any of my products in Sweden. Like I don't own any warehouse here, or I'm not even stocking my products like in the warehouse in Europe. I have all my stocks on China, guys. So basically like I'm getting 6 to 7 days shipping days from China to Sweden or Norway or like Finland, depending on the country that I'm selling. But at the moment mostly I'm selling in Sweden, so it's 6 to 7 days, sometimes like 4 to 6 days. But basically this is Q4, and like it was Black Friday, the shipping rates are like little bit higher for me, and because like everybody have ordered the product and everybody have scaled basically. So but basically after this month in January, my shipping days is like 4 to 6 days, so that is perfect for China. And basically my shipping cost is only like $1 or something like that, and that just doesn't come easy, guys. It comes with relationship, like building your name and brand. So they're going to know you like, okay, this is like Ramtin, you know, he have scaled the products before, we have to work with him good, like we have to behave good in order for him to work with us, because since he's scaling, he don't need us, we need him, and he can find just another agent that can take off his business, good. So that's how you leverage it, guys. When you start to scale, everything start to comes in order with you. But I can understand that at the beginning you don't have like this kind of potential or this kind of like good things on your side, because like, and that's why like it's very hard to trust any agent that you're working with. So I will recommend you like to look at these Facebook groups. Like there's a ton of agents that you can see like which one of them mostly people are talking to, or like they say he is good or she is good. Or you can just use a platform such as S-Bucket, CJ Dropshipping, but do not use AliExpress, guys. That platform is dead. So you can use those other platforms. CJ Dropshipping is good. I really recommend them. Like I started with them, but I don't work with them anymore. Thank you for watching my video, and basically I hope that I knew these things when I started my e-commerce journey, because like that would save me a lot of money and a lot of headaches. But you know, all things happen for a reason, guys. So without those problems or like mistakes that I did, I wouldn't be a person that I am today. So I'm very grateful to that. So guys, basically if you enjoyed this video, just smash that like button. It means a lot to me. And before I end the video, I want to announce the last week consultation call winner, which is Nick. So man, all you need to do is send me a proof that this is your account on my Instagram, and we can get on a consultation call. So see you next time, guys.